In this video, we're going to be covering the blue relay replacement, part number E5254 for the clinical air compressor control panel. The blue relay replacement applies to K1 through K5 as all relays in the circuit are identical. To begin, locate the red knob and turn it to the off position. This will ensure the system is powered down. With the control panel key, unlock and open the control panel. Inside the control panel, locate the blue relay in need of replacement and carefully remove it from its slot. Retrieve a new blue relay from your maintenance kit, part number E5254. Insert the new relay into the slot, ensuring it is properly seated. Repeat the process for the remaining relays. Close and lock the control panel. Restore power to the system by turning the red knob back to the on position. By following these steps to replace the air compressor control panel relay, you'll ensure the efficiency and functionality of your system. Thank you for watching.